Hello friends, welcome back to our channel FoodTech 360. In this video, we are doing Food Tech Quiz number 27, topic Agronomy Set 1. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing free live classes for Kerala PhD exam and other competitive exams. So if you are looking for a government job, Unacademy is the best place for the preparation. So download Unacademy learning app from the Play Store and log into the app and choose your required course to unlock free classes. Click on free live classes from the dashboard. After that, it will ask for a referral code. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. A soil with a pH value less than 7, hence having more hydrogen ions than hydroxyl ions in the soil solution, is called as options: A. Alkali soil, B. Sodic soil, C. Acid soil, D. Neutral soil. Correct answer: C. Acid soil. Question number 2. The movement of ions and water into the plant root because of metabolic process by the root frequently against an electrochemical potential gradient is referred to as options: A. Acidity potential, B. Advection, C. Active absorption, D. Active ingredient. Correct answer: C. Active absorption. Question number 3. An alternative renewable fuel produced from vegetable oils or animal fats through a refinery process called trans-esterification is called as options: A. Biodiesel, B. Chemidiesel, C. Agrodiesel, D. Ameliorant. Correct answer: A. Biodiesel. Question number 4. In India, National Biodiversity Authority is located at options: A. New Delhi, B. Mumbai, C. Bengaluru, D. Chennai. Correct answer: D. Chennai. Question number 5. The ratio of total cropped area in different seasons to the total land area is known as options: A. Cropping intensity, B. RDT index, C. Competition index, D. Cropping intensity index. Correct answer: D. Cropping intensity index. Question number 6. Cultivation of crops in areas where rainfall is less than 750 mm per annum is known as options: A. Dry farming, B. Rainfed farming, C. Dryland farming, D. Mixed farming. Correct answer: A. Dry farming. Question number 7. An organism that derives its energy from various chemicals and its carbon from organic molecules other than CO2, that is glucose, is called options: A. Aeroheterotrophs, B. Chemoheterotrophs, C. Aeroautotrophs, D. Chemoautotroph. Correct answer: B. Chemoheterotrophs. Question number 8. The chemical substance released by one species may inhibit species of plants other than one releasing it is termed as options: A. Anidation, B. Allo inhibition, C. Darcy's law, D. Auto inhibition. Correct answer: B. Allo inhibition. Question number 9. A substance added to a soil for the improvement of its physical and chemical properties is called as options: A. Aridity index, B. Ameliorant, C. Active absorption, D. Active ingredient. Correct answer: B. Ameliorant. Question number 10. The inflorescence of sugarcane is known as options: A. Silk, B. Tassel, C. Arrow, D. Spike. Correct answer: C. Arrow. Question number 11. A biological model which is expected to perform or behave in a predictable manner within a defined environment is known as options: A. Pure line, B. Prototype, C. Ideotype, D. Inbred. Correct answer C. Ideotype. Question number 12. Gene responsible for dolphin characters in rice is options A. Norintine, B. TIF23A, C. DGO-Wogen, D. None of these. Correct answer C. DGO-Wogen. Question number 13. Sunflower act as an inhibitor plant to diagnose the deficiency of options A. Cadmium, B. Nitrogen, C. Manganese, D. Boron. Correct answer D. Boron. Question number 14. The scientist who had been called as father of field plot technique is options A. Galton, B. Boussigott JB, C. Arnold, D. Arnold. Correct answer B. Boussigott JB. Question number 15. The most important potential contaminant of food produced on sewage sludge amended soils is options A. Cadmium, B. Nitrogen, C. Manganese, D. Boron. Correct answer A. Cadmium. Question number 16. Grassy stunt virus disease of rice is transmitted by options A. Leaf miner, B. gall midge, C. stem borer, D. brown plant hopper. Correct answer D. brown plant hopper. Question number 17. The relationship of a crop or crop communities with its surroundings, say environment, is called options A. farming ecology, B. arable ecology, C. crop ecology, D. community ecology. Correct answer C. crop ecology. Question number 18. The statistical test used to determine the goodness of fit is options A. t-test, B. chi-square test, C. z-test, D. f-test. Correct answer B. chi-square test. Question number 19. Dropsy disease in human beings is caused by a weed called options A. R. trifoli, B. Cynodon dactylon, C. Argemon mexicana, D. Ceteria glauca. Correct answer C. Argemon mexicana. Question number 20. Under stress condition, the common amino acid accumulated in crop plants is options A. tryptophan, B. proline, C. methionine, D. phenylalanine. Correct answer B. proline. T20 test series is one of the largest online free test series in Kerala for LDC prelims. The series will have daily practice test of 20 questions on India facts, Indian constitution, Kerala facts, mathematics, science and current affairs containing questions from the important recent topics, and mock tests aimed at the upcoming exam, one topic per day as per the schedule. The test has been created by the best minds in Kerala PSC exam preparation domain and is also aided by the combined knowledge base of the finest educators we have in our platform. All Kerala ranking for the test would be provided if you take up the test live. You will also have the facility to write the test even after the live test is over. The test paper would be available in Malayalam only. Question number 21. In tobacco, the correct chronological order of practice is options A. topping, desucking, priming, B. desucking, topping, priming, C. priming, desucking, topping, D. priming, topping, desucking. Correct answer A. topping, desucking, priming. Question number 22. The crops which are sown to supplement the yield of the main crops are called options A. mixed crop, B. cover crop, C. augmenting crops, D. break crop. Correct answer C. augmenting crops. Question number 23. In India, the first public sector transgenic BT cotton variety is options A. Puja BT, B. Jaipur King, C. Varalakshmi, D. Bikaneri Narma. Correct answer D. Bicanary Narma. Question number 24. Akiochi disease in rice is due to the toxicity caused by the compound called options A. Hydrogen citrate, B. Hydrogen chloride, C. Hydrogen peroxide, D. Hydrogen sulfide. Correct answer D. Hydrogen sulfide. Question number 25. The most critical irrigation stage of wheat, if farmer want to give one irrigation to wheat crop is options A. Boot stage, B. Anthesis stage, C. CRI stage, D. Milking stage. Correct answer C. CRI stage. Question number 26. With too much increase in nitrogen application, sugar content in sugarcane juice will options A. Increase, B. Remain unchanged, C. Decrease, D. None of these. Correct answer C. Decrease. Question number 27. The main crop of potato is planted from options A. 15 to 25th September, B. 15 to 25th October, C. 15 to 25th November, D. March to April. Correct answer B. 15 to 25th October. Question number 28. An annual weed commonly found in rice field is options A. Cynodon dactylon, B. Echinoclea crusgali, C. Ceteria glauca, D. Phalaris minor. Correct answer B. Echinoclea crusgali. Question number 29. Tungro virus of rice is transmitted by options A. Greenleaf hopper, B. gall mitts, C. stem borer, D. brown plant hopper. Correct answer A. Greenleaf hopper. Question number 30. The type of germination in mung bean is known as options A. epigale, B. epicotyl, C. epistasis, D. epigyne. Correct answer A. epigale. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous food tech quizzes, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Unacademy has started a course for 10th level prelims from December 2nd. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 10th level prelims exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. All doubts related to the topic will be clarified during the doubt clearing session in this course. The course will be covered in Malayalam and the notes will be provided in Malayalam. So join this 60 days course to get a successful result in your prelims exam. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. Unacademy is providing special class marathon for those who are preparing for LGS or field worker exam of 10th level prelims from 7th and 8th of December. These top class educators will help you to get a better results for your exams. The course is absolutely free if you unlock the classes using FoodTech360 as the referral code. Link for this course has given in the description.